We are talking about the benchmark at very close to life highs. Having said that, there are still a few pockets, one would say, where valuations still look attractive. What, according to you, should be bought from a 5-year perspective?
So I would break this up into 33% three stocks. The easiest ones, I'd buy HDFC Bank. I believe the valuations there are extremely attractive from a longer term point of view. I think I've been in the market for the last about 20 plus years, and I've never seen HDFC Bank trading at about 2.2 times book value. So one third I would definitely put into HDFC Bank. The FMCG space in India is still got a huge opportunity for growth. So I would definitely look at that. And the best way to play that right now, if you ask me, is a company like ITC. Valuations are still relatively attractive. The FMCG space for them is going to continue to grow. They're gaining market share there. Yes, they're a smaller player than some of the Hindustan Unilevers and some of the other larger Nestle's and stuff. But I believe the growth opportunity for ITC in that space is good. They have good profitability from the cigarette business. The demerger of the hotels business kind of is like a discretionary spending also, as India, the upper end of India continues to travel more, so the hotel business will continue to do well. So ITC is where I would put a one third. And the third counter I would go in for is the infrastructure space, because look, the government of India, I mean, the current government, which is going to probably come back to power, is very keen on spending on the infrastructure space. And the best and the easiest way to play that, whether it's infra, whether it's defense, is L&T. L&T caters to both of these sectors in a very strong manner. Yes, the stock has run up. Yes, valuations aren't cheap. But since you're saying you have a 5-year view, I think any correction in L&T would be a great buying opportunity. So if you had to ask me, 3 ways is where I would break up this money: HDFC Bank, ITC, and L&T.
We've spoken quite a bit about Vodafone, but then we've got an interesting question from Vibha. She says that she bought Idea shares at IPO. She's got 100 shares now that it's Vodafone Idea, and she's saying that if she sells right now, she gets 1,300 rupees, which mostly can be spent on ice cream now that it's summer. The question is, should it be held or should it be sold? So since it's a relatively short-term question, Osho, what do you think?
Overall, the trend for Vodafone is very weak as of now. I am expecting that with today's closer below the zone of 13 odd levels, that on weekly time frame gives a breakdown in this counter. And on the lower end, I am expecting a target of nearly 10.5 to 10.8 in the short-term duration. So view is negative in this counter, and I am not very much optimistic for the strong growth in the coming period. So better to exit from the company and stay invested in some other good other companies.